Huh. Still nothing. And boom, just yoink it out. I guess this is my ECM. I don't really see a problem with it. Alright, so it's like 4 weeks later, and I got a brand new programmed ECU for this car. So now we're gonna see if it starts. If it doesn't start, then I'm gonna try putting gas in it tomorrow, and then try maybe putting in a new starter. If it still doesn't start, then I'm gonna put a new alternator. Still doesn't start, then this thing has to go to a mechanic shop because I don't know what to do. Alright, so I put the ECU in. It's kind of just hanging because I just want to see if this even works. But now I'm gonna put the battery in. It probably has charge in it. See if it works. And nothing. Alright, it took me like 2 hours to get this old starter out because it's just so tight in here. And there's a new starter. I'm gonna put it in and we'll try to start it. Alright, so I got the new starter in. It's just like 1 a.m. Everything's hooked back up. Got the battery hooked up. And yeah, the new starter's in. Let's see if the car cranks now. Here we go. Oh, okay, I'm kind of shaking right now. The car cranks, so that's a good sign. But since it is 1 a.m. and that was super loud and I probably just woke up all my neighbors, I'm just gonna wrap this up and I'll try again tomorrow. But alright, something new I just found. I just realized this is missing something. And I have another air intake and this one has it. So this could also be the reason why it's running so bad. Okay. Now after fixing this, getting it plugged in, we're gonna start it and see if it runs right or see if it's still something else. All right, part 3. Well, low progress. All right. Smoking. Bro. The car finally drives. We got the hood on now. It seems like right now the only problem is it's leaking transmission fluid. and it's leaking it. So it's just leaking from the transmission lines, which that's an easy fix. And then also I think it might need a new brake solenoid, whatever it's called. That's it for this video. I'll see y'all in the next video.